Alright, hello again. This is GoPro 02125, right? Remember ages ago, done a bike check, and I didn't really name everything right. So here we go. I'm doing it again. Stolen mob cranks, KMC, chrome chain, Odyssey twisted pedals, you see, metal studs, like your legs, got a fit stem, fit sprocket, got exposure brake arms, leaving people see, fit tires, alienation back wheel, with a nitrous sub, the laces, or the spokes are, I don't know, alienation probably. The Odyssey keypad grips, the weather, I see. Got eco handlebars, white, can't remember what inch they are. Exposure brake lever, Odyssey bar ends, bit mocked up at the moment. Got fit type front, fit stem, ProLite blade forks. I got rim, alienation spokes, I think, if you get them. Odyssey cable or exposure, I can't remember, sorry guys. I got a Diatech headset, I got the gyro tabs on there, might get a gyro, maybe not. I'm running the Eastern Grim Reaper frame, turquoise. That's it, I think. But one thing I love about this, you can see a little hole. Woo! Thank you guys.